May na-prosecute ba siya? Wala.
Sino ang point man niyo sa Senado? I'm sure you're talking to some senator.
No, well, marami akong
Kinausap.
kakilala dyan na mga senador. Pero I don't want to...
To openly name them.
Hindi man ako kumausap na lang sa kanila dahil alam ko that my opposition with the documents I have, it's very strong.
Okay, so they are sympathetic based on the documents that you're
Ayoko
presenting.
yung kakausapin ko sila because
Okay.
I will try to
Influence
them. Ayokong makipag-usap sa kanila because I know for the fact that the documents that I have
Will speak for themselves.
Yes.
Okay, well, yun, this is finally sayang at talagang wala na tayong panahon and we'd like to thank you very much. Maraming salamat po
Thank
for
you
being
po.
very strong and being very brave and for coming on to the program. It usually takes brave people to come on to the program also. And this is Eric Espina, always reminding the public, palagi po nagsasabi sa inyo, nag-iiwan, magmasid, makialam, higit sa lahat ay manindigan dahil wala pong magmamahal sa Pilipino kung hindi ang Pilipino. Daghang salamat, maayong gabi kaninyong tanan.